Well, good morning, Minnesota historians, students. How are you? Oh man, I got my Minnesota hat on. I'm ready to learn a little Minnesota history. It's Wednesday. It's hump day. We're halfway there. So pat yourself on the back. You made it this far this week. I hope that you are staying caught up on your work and you are doing the best you can to um, get it done. All right. If you're struggling, be sure to reach out and ask for help. I'm just going to keep telling you that. You gotta ask for help. Nobody can read your mind. So make sure that you are emailing your teachers. You are coming to our Google Meets. You're coming to office hours, but please ask for the help that you need. I just really want to take you quickly through today's lesson, all right? I'm hoping that these videos are helping for those of you who might be a little bit more confused. This is the slideshow that you'll get when you log into the hub. Remember, you're logging in by 10 o'clock if you can for today's attendance. So log into the hub, click on the link for today's slideshow, and this should pop up in front of you. The first slide is that entry ticket. Remember, you're clicking on the highlighted link to make sure that you are answering those questions and earning your daily points for social studies. So be sure to do that first. Number one, get it done. Then read through the slides carefully. On tap today, we have for you, Where is it Wednesday? Yay! Where is it Wednesday? We get to explore a few different sites, historic sites around Minnesota, and you get to choose your own adventure today. You get to decide where you want to go. You don't have to explore all three, you have to explore one of them, but choose your own adventure. That's pretty exciting. Make sure right away after you fill out that entry ticket that you are getting your bell ringer page from Google Classroom or from your Drive. You are answering these two questions today in the Wednesday box. Would you rather live on a farm or live in the woods, and why? Why would you rather live on a farm? Would you rather cut wood and haul it for 8 hours, or would you rather do homework for 8 hours? So which job would you like better? Would you like to be outside hauling wood, or would you rather be behind a desk or a computer doing homework? And why? Tell us why. Then, quick reminder, coming up tomorrow, Thursday, April 23rd, Thursday, Mr. Ziegler and I both have office hours from 9:30 to 10:30. You can access us by going to this link that you see here highlighted, meet.google.com. This is a live link. You just have to click on it. When you get to that website, you're going to join a meeting and you're going to use these nicknames to join that meeting. Mine is VVM Hawes, and Mr. Ziegler's is VVMS Ziegler. So when you type in that code, you should be able to access this in that Google Meet. All right, moving on. I'm going to keep this quick today. You're going back to your note-taking sheet for Chapter 11, Lumber. This is in your Google Classroom. It's under classwork, or it's in your Drive if you access this. At this point, you should be done with that first couple of boxes, box 1 and box 2. Today you'll be working on box 3 and box 4. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose one of these three historic sites, either Forest History Center, Marine Mill, or Forestville. Just one. Pick one, and you're going to go to that site and explore via the Minnesota Historical Society site. So check it out. Pick one. If you love history, if you love Minnesota, take a look at all three. It's up to you if you have time, all right? Now, you can also use these. You're going to watch a video. After you do a little exploring, you tell me how to get there, you tell me what you can see and do in this location, then you can watch a video. So if you picked Marine Mill, there's a couple videos there for you to watch. They're real quick, so take a look. If you picked Forest History Center, there's a video there, and then Historic Forestville. These are very short, so if you want to watch more than one, go for it, but you do not have to. Here's our recap. Did you visit one historic site? Did you watch one video for that historic site? And did you complete your Where is it Wednesday activity notes? Remember, that's in Google Classroom. And again, lastly, your entry ticket that was moved up to the beginning, no longer is it an exit ticket. You do it right away at the beginning of the lesson. And finally, if you're curious, if you love wood, if you love lumber, if you're a hockey player or a baseball player, these are two awesome videos on how hockey sticks are made and how baseball bats are made. I'm a big fan of baseball. I like to go to baseball games with my wife, and I'm always curious about how they make baseball bats because those bats break all the time during the games. So check it out. Enjoy it. It's extra though. It's if you would like to. It is not a requirement. All right. Thank you for your time. I bet you can hear my children playing in the background. Is it hard to find some quiet in your house too? I hope not. Good luck. Reach out if you have questions. Email us, contact us. We hope to hear from you. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.